Today's tutorial is talking about our new Monica shawl, and as you can see, it's a transition over 3 different colors. They are in one family and it's all garter stitch, and the shawl is wonderful squishy. It's really squishy and not scratchy. It's 100% extra fine merino, super wash, so you can wash it gentle in the machine. The scarf is knitted lengthwise. The size is 8 inches wide and 70 inches long. You also could knit it as a cowl, so you can knit it in the round. Of course, with the garter stitch knitting in the round, you need to knit 1 row purl and 1 row knit to have the garter stitch ridges. The pattern is all designed to really, you can count the garter stitch ridges and they are merging in each other. It's a nice count and easy to follow, good for beginners. We are looking together at our new Monica scarf, and Monica is the name of the yarn. It is a bulky yarn, it's multiplied, it's very nice and squishy, and it's easy to knit, it goes fast. And as you can see, I merged from one color to the next and to the third, so you have this nice migration. And this is the right side here, so you see I did 3 garter stitch ridges, 1 2 1 2 1 and so far. And when you see the back side, it is not so countable than the front side. So either way, both sides are beautiful. This is more the transition is more not so visible, but here you really can count it. And the 3 skeins are numbered, and as you can see here on the other side, one is a light, a medium and a darker one. So this is actually it's all garter stitch, lengthwise knitting. There are 190 stitches. The length is 70 inches. If you would like to have a cowl, you just knit it in the round. It's the same, all garter stitch, but you have to, 1 row is knit and 1 is purl to have the garter stitch, and then you change the yarn the same way. If you prefer to have the cowl, it's a very easy project. It goes very fast. I actually knitted this on 2 evenings. So I think we have over 30 different color combinations. Look at them, maybe you like one, and ready for winter.